Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change currency on booking.com so that you can see prices in your own currency. So let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser on your device and in the URL box type in booking.com and search. You'll then end up in the official website for booking.com from where you'll need to log into your existing account. From the home page of booking.com, you'll need to go find this currency option at the top center, click on that and select your currency you want to change to. Choose your preferred currency from the list and then your website will refresh with the selected currency. Now the prices will be shown in your selected currency. Changing currency only changes how prices are shown, not always how you are charged. Some hotels may still charge in their local currency. Always check final price before booking. And that's how you change currency on booking.com in few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow for more simple tutorials like this. Stay tuned for more.